Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Credit Karma's credit card recommendations. It's going to be a really quick video, and let's get straight into it. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Credit Karma account. You can do that on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. And once you're logged in, you want to click on the credit cards tab. Next, you're going to want to answer a few questions about your credit preferences and needs. And you can view Credit Karma's recommended credit cards based on your credit profile. Just compare these features and rates and terms of the recommended credit cards that are made available to you. And once you find the one you want to apply for a credit card through Credit Karma. And once you've been approved for a credit card, you're gonna receive the notification on that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Credit Karma's credit card recommendation. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.